Hello, I am Megha. Directions are: read the following information carefully and answer the questions that follow. A. The Board of Secondary Education Bhopal has organized examinations for 10 subjects with History, Civics, Geography, Economics, Hindi Literature, English Literature, Mathematics, General Science, Sanskrit and Moral Science on 6 days of the week with a holiday on Sunday, not having more than 2 papers on any of the days. B. Exams begins on Wednesday with English Literature. C. Economics is accompanied by some other subject but not on Thursday. History and Mathematics are on the same day immediately after holiday. D. There is only one paper on last day and Saturday. Civics is immediately followed by General Science, which in turn is immediately followed by Sanskrit. E. Geography is on Saturday. General Science is not on the same day as Moral Science. Now let us try to find out the day on which the which subject is there. It's given that exams begins on Wednesday with English Literature. So on Wednesday it's English Literature. Economics is accompanied by some other subject but not on Thursday. So on Thursday we don't have Economics. History and Mathematics are on the same day immediately after holiday. So Sunday being holiday, so after that it is History and Mathematics. Now there is only one paper on last day and Saturday. So on Saturday, on Tuesday, we do have one paper each. Civics is immediately followed by General Science, which in turn is immediately followed by Sanskrit. So we do have Civics on Wednesday, followed by General Science, which is followed by Sanskrit. Geography is on Saturday. So on Saturday we do have Geography. General Science is not on the same day as Moral Science. So we have to take Moral Science on Tuesday. So what's remaining is Economics not being on Thursday, so it's on Friday. And the remaining one, that is Hindi Literature, is on Thursday. Now the question is, examination for which of the following pairs of subjects is on Thursday? So from here we can see that on Thursday we do have Hindi Literature and General Science, which is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Megha. The question is, examination for which of the following subjects is on the next day of Economics? Now, as we have already discussed directions for this question in the above one and had made a table also. So from that table we get the information that on the next day of Economics, the subject which had test is Geography, which is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Megha. The question is, examination for which of the following subjects is on the last day? Now, as we have already discussed directions for this question in the above one, so let's have the solution. As we had made a table in the above question, so from that table we get the information that on last day the subject which had its test on the last day is Moral Science, which is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Megha. The question is, which of the following subjects examination is on the same day as that of English Literature? Now, as we have already discussed directions for this question in the above ones and had made a table also. So from that table we get the answer to this question as option number 4, that is Civics. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.